We've got a cow stuck in a muddy pit. Bring ropes and help, quick! We can't let him suffer.
I'll be there soon. Don't worry, we're on our way.
Listen up. We've got a massive cow trapped in a muddy pit, badly injured and infected. Grab ropes, stretchers, and medical kits. We leave now.
Move fast, team. The cow won't last long in this condition.
We need to get there fast. Prepare the ropes.
Don't worry, we've saved worse. This one will live. He's still alive, but barely holding on.
We need to secure him fast. Get the ropes.
Let's save this giant before it's too late.
Tie it tight. We cannot afford to slip.
Pulley's secure, let's get ready to lift slowly.
Steady. One pull at a time, team.
Keep it steady, don't let him slip.
The middle's heavy with fungus and parasites. Careful.
Almost there, hang on, buddy. Keep him steady, careful with the middle section.
Wash off as much mud as we can before he gets to the Jeep.
Almost there, buddy, hang in, you are safe now.
Steady, brushing carefully so he doesn't panic. Get all the fungus and worms off. He needs this now. Good boy. Almost clean. Hang in there.
You made it. Safe now.
Let's get all this mud, worms, and fungus off properly.
Steady. You are going to feel so much better soon.
Look at you, safe and clean now.
No more mud, no more worms. You are going to be fine.
We did it, you survived.